Good deals here in Ovella, Texas. It is March 27, 2025. Got a Bobcat T770 model, 2-speed unit. I'm gonna give you a quick little operations and walk around video. Pretty nice machine. A little over 2,000 hours on it. I think it's 2,200. We'll show that in video as well. Without further ado, take a look at here. It will be sold with a bucket. It will not come with this bucket particularly, but it will come with the bucket. It's got a backup camera in the back. Tracks are pretty decent actually. Undercarriage is nice. It's got seal savers on the back. Has a hydraulic quick coupler. Seals are free of any leaks. Again, they put seal savers back here. This whole system's a seal saver. Go ahead and open the cab. Runs clean. Zero blow-by. Zero vibration. Nice clean oil. Recent service, 8/28/24. Same with the fuel. Got the external fans. All the joints have been super greased well and taken good care of on that. Same with the joints down here. They're all seem to be tight. Interior is pretty decent. Seats are clean. This is a ISO joystick machine. It is not a hand-foot control. It is a joystick unit. Got the radio. Got some cold AC. The door is missing. The seller is going to put a new door on it before it leaves here. So you will get a new door put on this unit before it leaves. Without further ado, we'll go ahead and get you a quick little operations video here and show this unit working. Shut it off and start it again. you can see the unit runs, it works. It's got the cab, you know, nice tracks, nice undercarriage on it. All the cylinders are clean and free of any leaks. Got the hydraulic quick coupler. Ready to go to work, boys. 2-speed unit also. I showed the 2-speed working. It did work. This thing has no issues and it's ready to go to work. It just needs a little bit of cleanup. All the hydraulics here is just because they've been using this drill over here, and it's been spilling some hydraulic fluid on the machine. Besides that, no leaks besides that. Ready to go to work, boys. Here in Ovilla, Texas, give us a call, 972-666-9501, and bid high online. Thank you very much.